there guys, it's Unlikely Creators, and today we're making a box. I don't have a screen recorder program or whatever it's called, I don't know. So I thought I'd show you. Here's my box, but if anyone can leave a comment down below telling me how to export this from this software, I don't know how to do that. So that'd be really appreciated. So instead I came to this website, and looks like they got a box right there. Just what I wanted. I have to sign in to download. Dang it. Oh man. That was it. Dang it. Oh, okay, I guess maybe. Oh, that's Autodesk also. I suppose I'll make this. This looks cool. I think I'll make this my my time-lapse video. Yeah. Okay. So I'm on Thingiverse. Let's download all these files. We don't want to tip the designer. Keep that in mind. Files. That's the one. So let's go into Simplify 3D, and I'll show you how to do that. Okay. So let me. It's over here. Then we go to Edit Process Settings. Now, you want to turn off retraction. You want to turn off coast at end. You want to turn off light nozzle, and then layer 0. Top layers 0. "31 minutes? Now that's enough space on my phone to record that. Okay, now we're talking. Alright, now we gotta take out our SD card, put that in there, save to our SD card, and let's call it the square one. Square one. Okay. Now, I don't know how to take the SD card and then print it with start the software on Simplify 3D. I think that's more of an advanced level kind of thing. So what I do is I exit out of that, and we go to Matter Control. And now in Matter Control, you can plug in your computer. Okay. Good job. Now let's connect. Now to turn on the printer, you just go like that, and there we go. So let's get connected, load up the files, and then look for square one. Okay, let's preheat the extruder in the bed. And I'm not very good at changing filaments, so I'm gonna just leave the green on there. it should look good. I don't know how else to teach you anything, so I'm gonna cut right here and go to the time lapse. Okay. All right. Looks like our print has finished. Let's go on here. This is how it came out. It's not really got a good finish layer on there if you look at it. I wonder why it came out like that. I'm just gonna ignore it. Other than that, it looks pretty good. It's not really what I wanted, but it's got some pretty weak strength to it. It came out with this little square like I originally wanted, but it's pretty small. But please leave a like on this video. If you want me to make something like this every day or so, please hit a like. And I think we'll try it out and see how it goes. Thank you for watching. Have a unlikely day. Hit the